In a multiplication problem such as this, where we have three polynomials to multiply together, we must multiply two of them together first, then multiply by the third. And it really doesn't matter which pair we pick first. I think it's easiest to multiply this pair first in this problem. So we're going to get negative 2x squared y times. When I multiply this pair of terms together, I must take the 3x times x plus 4y and the negative y times x plus 4y. Notice what we're doing is breaking harder problems down into easier problems. Negative 2x squared y, this is just copy. When I distribute, I get 3x times x, 3x squared. 3x times 4y is 12xy. Negative y times x is just negative yx, but we could write that as negative xy. They are the same. Negative y times 4y is negative 4y squared. We can now combine the middle terms. They are like terms. So we copy this down. We have 3x squared plus 12 minus 1 is plus 11xy minus 4y squared. We now multiply this binomial times the polynomial by multiplying negative 2x squared y times each of these three terms one at a time. The first product, I multiply negative 2 times 3, negative 6, x squared y times x squared times x squared is x to the fourth y. Negative 2 times 11 is minus 22. X squared times x is x cubed, and y times y is y squared. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. X squared, y times y squared is y to the third. And this is our final result. Notice that we chose to write this in decreasing exponents on the x. This is not mandatory, but it's oftentimes the way polynomials are written, with in order of decreasing exponents